Cooking shouldn't be complicated, even if your hands are dirty, even if you can't get to your phone to look up that next step in the recipe. But all too often, we get stuck. What if we could take all the complexity out of using recipes and stay focused on the joy of cooking? Alex has just come home from Freshland Market, and she's ready to cook the recipes she chose from their website for her dinner party tonight.
Alexa, ask Freshland Market how to make honey mustard glazed salmon for 8 people.
You'll need 10 thyme sprigs, 3 pounds salmon fillet.
The recipe on Freshland Market's Drupal website is for just 4 people, so Freshland Market's Alexa skill automatically adjusts it to the number of servings needed. Alexa reads off the ingredients and also sends a card to the Alexa app on her phone.
Alexa, tell Freshland Market I don't have any honey.
Do you have granulated sugar instead?
Yes.
Okay, use 2.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar and a half tablespoon of water instead of honey.
Alexa, tell Freshland Market I'm ready to start.
Okay, may I preheat your smart oven to 450 degrees?
Yes.
Oven set. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Arrange thyme sprigs in a long row on parchment.
Alexa, tell Freshland Market next step.
Bake salmon in the middle of the oven 26 minutes or until desired degree of doneness.
Alexa, set oven timer for 26 minutes.
Oven timer, 26 minutes, starting now.